Hi friends, we have a large rectangle A, B, C, D, right? This rectangle is divided into identical rectangles and area of each identical rectangle is 8 centimeter square, right? We have to find out perimeter of this large rectangle. Okay, so let's start. Let breadth of a small rectangle is equal to B, right? So this breadth is B and this rectangle's breadth is also B, right? Here breadth of this B, so this length will be 2B, right? Now we can say length of a small rectangle, length of a small rectangle will be 2B, right? So this will be 2B and this also will be 2B as we have assumed, and this B, this will be B, right? So area of a small rectangle will be B into 2B, right? As we have given, area of a small rectangle is 8, right? So we can write 8 is equal to 2B square, right? So B will be equal to 2, right? Now length of large rectangle is equal to what? 2B plus B plus 2B, right? So 5B. So 5 into 2 is equal to 10 centimeter, right? And breadth, as we have, breadth will be 2B, right? Breadth of large rectangle will be 2B, right? So 2B is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4 centimeter, right? Now perimeter of large rectangle. Is equal to 5B plus 2B, right, into 2. So 7B into 2 is equal to 7B as equal to 2, right? So 7 into 2 into 2, right? So 28 centimeter, right? So perimeter of the large rectangle will be 28 centimeter, right? Okay friends, thank you.